Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this work light. It comes with an USB cord, instructions. All right, here is the light. It's got this little handle here, magnet on there where you can put it, just hook it on the door or whatever. It's also got a little hook here so you can just switch it on, clasp it onto whatever you want to. Hang it up in a tent or whatever, and this thing adjusts so you can put it on the car, put it on the ground or wherever, so that's really nice. It comes with a port here in the back. You can charge it with USB-C here and then USB-A. Plug that in and you can charge up your phone. I'm not sure how much battery this has, but boom, charging up my phone right there. Also, it has these 4 lights on the back that indicates like how much battery charge you have. Okay, it has this middle button here toward the left that is gonna use your red light. So 1 is on, 2 is flickering like that, so safety light. You can adjust the brightness or the color of the thing here between white, I think it's like 5000K to 2700K, something like that, so more yellow and more white. And then this button on the far right is pushed 4 times for adjustable, and that's going to be your 4 brightness settings. So 1, 3, and then it goes from like bright to like crazy bright here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's that one, and then if we switch it over to the white one, I think this is the brightest one, but that's crazy bright there. Let's go take it out back and show you how bright it is. Okay, friend, real quick before I take this out front, this is my living room, and that's just the light right here. So lights are out, and you can see my whole living room, which is pretty big, is just completely illuminated. So that's really nice. Let's go take it outside. Okay, well, here we go, my friends. As you can see, it's just brightens up the whole backyard here, and it's just passing it around here. This thing is really bright. Throws out a big wide arc, so it's not really concentrated, but like you can see if you're walking with this or camping or whatever, this in your tent is just going to illuminate your whole tent. Really cool little light here, my friends. I'm really pretty impressed with this. So thanks for watching this video. If you're working on a car or something like that, this is going to illuminate everything, no problem. Have a great day.